Hey, and welcome to Module 6. So, you've got your domain, your hosting, and you've installed WordPress. Your website is officially online. Woohoo! But it's just a blank page for now. So, you should have received an email from Softalicious, your new installation of WordPress. This should be in your email. And if we click on this link here, we can see that there is the fresh installation of WordPress. So to log into your WordPress dashboard, you need to go to your website address /wp-admin and use your username and password to log in to the dashboard. I've already tried, already installed WordPress and actually created a video there of the next steps, but I forgot to hit record. So I'm having to record, I had to delete everything and start again. So here we go. Hopefully I'll get it right this time. So another way you can log in with your username and password at your website domain name. So www.themaintenancemarketers.com is my website. So you would use your own website and you would just do /wp-admin, and that takes you to the login page where you put your username and password. And I would suggest clicking remember me on there. It'll save you a bit of time. It'll automatically log in every time you go to use it. But because I didn't take a note of my username and password, you can actually come back here to Softalicious and save password. Sorry, go back to your cPanel and select WordPress, and we will go down to here and we see our current installations of the WordPress dashboard is on this link here. And if we go to here, options, you can simply log in from your cPanel or Softalicious cPanel. You click login and that will take us to our new dashboard. So the next step is to add a couple of plugins, which plugins are basically extra pieces of code. Majority of them are free. So we are going to use two plugins to start with to get our website up and running and looking really professional, and then we're going to go on to actually edit the website itself. So what we need to install first is Elementor, which is a fantastic drag and drop plugin. Sorry, we need to go to add plugin. So I was searching installed plugins there, so we need to go to add plugin, click on that again, add plugin, and we will select or search for Elementor. It's a really popular WordPress plugin. It powers millions of websites. So we just click on install now. So that's going to download the plugin for us onto the website, and then we just click activate. And start setup. I've already done this, so it might cause a little bit of problems. Connect, yep, maintenance marketer. There we go. I should have unchecked that, check that there. I don't want to use this theme, so I will click skip. There we go, and elevate your website with additional pro features. Don't want any of that either, so just skip and skip again. So that should be Elementor, the Elementor plugin installed on our website and activated. We don't need any of this information at the moment, so yeah, this is basically the Elementor plugin, and we will go back and install our other plugin, exit to WordPress. Welcome to the editor, don't need that. We'll go back to our dashboard here, and then we are going to add another plugin. Add plugin, and we'll search for Starter Sites. So this one here from Brainstorm Force, didn't mean to click that there. Oops. Just go back, and so it's this is the plugin we want, Starter Templates, AI powered templates for Elementor and Gutenberg. So we'll just go ahead and install that now. And activate. And we're going to use the AI website builder from ZipWP. So click on Build with AI. And the website is called Maintenance Marketers. Website's an agency, and we'll go for default English language. Next, so you can describe your business as much as you can. I would suggest if you have a Facebook page or something, or if you have an About Us anywhere online, I would suggest taking that. So I am going to go to the About page on Maintenance Marketers and just copy that, and I'll put that in there, and then we'll improve using AI. So the Maintenance Marketers are a dynamic agency designed for property maintenance professionals looking to elevate their business. Blah de blah de blah. So that looks great. We'll go ahead with that. Email is not that. It's the maintenance marketers at gmail.com. So putting this information in, this is going to actually populate on the website. 07821 7319. And if you just fill in all your information here, Patterson Park, Leslie Glenrothes, Fife. Obviously, you put your own email, phone number, and address in here. And we also have the option to add social media links. So if you have social media pages already set up, you can add them here, and the AI will automatically populate that over to your website, which is great. I'm not going to bother doing any of that just now, so I'll just click next. And here we can add some stock images. You can upload your own images, or you can check the selected images, but we've not had any selected yet, so we'll just go here and just select a bunch of images here. Doesn't really matter because we can change it at any time. So I'll just select those 10 there, that's fine, and click next. So now we're going to choose our design and see how it's automatically populated this for us for agency, home service and consultant. So if we select Elementor here, it's only going to give us designs that are compatible with Elementor. So let's just see what we can have here. As you can see, these templates are amazing. They're really well made, and we're just looking for some free ones here. A lot of these are premium, and the premium sign up obviously means you have to have the paid plugin for starter sites. But I think we'll go for this one here. It looks really nice, clean and professional. So we just click on here and we can upload our logo file. If we have a logo on file. If you don't have a logo, just head on to the community and ask there what's the best way to design a logo, or you could even have someone design one for you. Blah, blah, blah. So we'll go for this logo here. It's just as simple as that, just upload it. So that's going to add the logo file to our website. Just ignore all this stuff here at the moment. It's all additional stuff that we're going to be doing later on once we've designed the website. So we're just going to add a logo, and you can see there we go, it's there. I would like to remove that background, but we'll do that later. You can change the width of your logo here. Next we'll select the font pair. So I quite like the look of this one here. And you can see that's changed all the font, but I don't actually like that now. So that looks a wee bit better. You can see this is a fully blown professional website. That's got all, it's even got testimonials added in there, etc., which I'm sure will change once we actually build the website. So I'm going to select the colour palette. You can obviously mess about with this as much as you like, but for quickness I am just going to do this one and continue. We can select the features that we want on our website, select the features that we want on this website, so it's automatically adding a blog, page builder, contact form and SEO search visibility. These are all just plugins. So you can add e-commerce, appointment bookings, we'll go for that, and free live chat, we'll add that also. The following plugins will be installed and activated for the selected features. So let's click on start building. I already have a zip account from the last time. So let's connect your zip WP account with this site. Click the button to connect. See, confirm and proceed. So you get two free AI website builds. Thankfully I've only messed this recording up once. So as you can see, we are building your website, crafting compelling copy that speaks to audience. So I'll just pause this website here. It's actually installing the Astra theme as well, which is why I didn't want to install the other theme earlier. So I will just pause this video now and let it do its thing. Okay, so woohoo, your website is ready. You did it. Your brand new website is online and set to shine, or all set to shine online even. So we can click on see your website, or I can just go to here. This is the website. This is the basic WordPress install that we had set up. And if I refresh the page, there we go. That's our brand new shiny website. And I'm not sure what's going on with the logo. Let's try refreshing that again. That won't matter. Anyway, we have our website online. As you can see, it's all populated with the maintenance marketers with my business name. Elevate your business online, blah blah. Looks fantastic actually. But we're going to go ahead and edit that now. We'll go back to here and see your website, and we'll click on finish setup. So as you can see, there's a lot more stuff added here, and we've got a checklist for finishing setting up our website. So We don't need to review admin email, I don't think. We'll just click on that just in case, just to make sure. WordPress, and the admin email is the maintenance marketers at Gmail. So that's great. We'll just dismiss that at the moment. And search engine visibility, we'll review that. So that is important. So our first page, our static page is our home page, which is fantastic. Search engine visibility, if you check that mark, it'll discourage search engines from indexing your website. So I would just leave that as is. Click Save Changes. Settings saved. Take that out and out and click off there. Finish website, we'll mark that as complete. Design and theme. I don't need to do any of that at the moment. So in the next video, we are going to set about designing the site and making it our own. Don't forget to pop into the community and let us know how you're getting on. Even show us your new website and we'll have a look at it and tell you that you've done a great job. Cheers, bye now.